What's up, winners? On this channel, we learn to see through manipulation, have fun doing it. I don't get what Meghan's doing with her weird social media strategy. So she's definitely active. Like, I don't get it. The last video I was talking about, like, it's all about consumerism, her and Gwyneth Paltrow, and like, oh, that's a strong woman is you buy things that are expensive and you cook them. Like, I don't see what, guys, question. Please comment. Do people do this? Do they go on Instagram to scroll through pictures of toast? Like what is the benefit of consuming this? I can understand Meghan wants to brag. Like, look at me, I have toast. But, okay. So Meghan's got toast. That's very amazing. Female.
Start spreading the news.
Ooh. Poor kid. Poor kid. What? I don't even know. This is so weird. Social media people, like here's this hostage video of my kid putting jam on a piece of bread as part of my business relationship with Meghan Markle. Hashtag as ever. Like, why would you put your kid putting, like, jam on bread? I think that's really weird. I have no idea who Heather Doorbach is. But I'm just so disgusted now that Meghan's lost social media and I'm looking at it and the people react to her. Like, these people all seem really, really gross to me. Like, just very disingenuous. Yeah, you know what? Again, I've got a lot of Leo footage. Maybe I'll put a palate cleanser because these videos are short. Leo's everyone's friend. You'll see. Take care. Están, amigos. Ahí está. Ya, amigos. Ya. Un ratito más y